Alright people, this is Randy in the backyard. Alright, let me go on a tour. Cause a long time I say, Randy, what you deal with? Where you there? How come in a year from you? How come you now do no more video and blah blah blah? Big up to yourself. Remember, don't be no back up on a shelf. Okay? So remember, let's check out the pepper. First, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna plant a coconut tree for one of our friend there. And some sugar cane and some pear seed. We have the pepper, so we have pepper in the yard. We even have our root. Now, me look at, I think a lime tree. The boy did I try to eat it off. So down me cover it. And then I catch back, you see. So if I watch it, look at dirty boy. I try to eat it off. I'm going to get up, I'm going to cut the container and do it better. So if you don't have no comments for me, let me know. So this is Jamaica Good Life, JamaicaHealthBox.com. We've been building it out. The roots is now available, and the starter box is there to clean on the system. That's why I look so young now. We have the bird pepper, of course. I dry them. The ackee done on the ackee tree, but here we have a transplant now. You see the pear tree here we catch, because this is my catching bed, you know. There's two things back here, so. All right, you see that? What is? What that, like scallion. So a mango tree catch here, so some of a transplanting tree. You see that one papaya tree under the ackee tree, it a bent towards the sun. Main tree, some have to do some cleanup. So now the guava done. I must have the coconut tree we'll plant with the family. One there so. We have the fever grass here so. We have the pear tree here so. It might go on tall. I think we have some soursop tree here so. Well, I don't know, it will work out, you know, come cook over there so. And some herbs and thing. Dandelion. And then now we have another orange tree. Now the one here, because we make it difficult for the little dirty them boy them try to touch the tree. Now the one here come beautifully. You see that one here? The one here now we make it difficult for them walk and come near it. And for pack some more stone around it to protect it. Give thanks for life. I'm gonna protect you. You see me? I'm gonna protect you and love you. So pack stone around it and thing. Now the one here catch back because we block it with the buckle. You see? The lime tree and them things are hard to catch. No. More fever grass over here. So you see, we're going to plant some, so the soursop tree I'll catch. Alright, remember so there's another pear tree there. So banana, I place some banana sucker, I'm going to plant some more across the thing. My water boat wet, so can't wear the water boat. This here so now is I think a passion fruit. And coconut tree here so. Cane here so. What more I have to do is plant some more cane along. Right here so, you see me? Then now coconut tree over there so. Mango tree over there so. So we're gonna do the thing, yeah? Do the maths. So it's lovely in Jamaica. Some potato. It's at the backyard. Family plant some potato. Yeah. So it's been a while since I've done a lot of video because I'm working on Jamaica Health Box. And the roots is now available. You can buy the roots and fix up yourself. And if you don't have any health problems, just reach out to me, 646-330-9150. 646-330-9150. Alright, I'll go clean up some more. No, I can't touch the papaya tree no more, so I don't know what I gotta do. It's a bend towards the sun. Because I know you're growing underneath the ackee tree. I don't know what, yeah, you know, if you do that to the papaya tree. So, now that we're there still, I'm going to try to take one of the ackee tree and I'm going to try to take two of them and I'm going to bring them and plant them at the back. And the pumpkin, there's some three ackee tree, we're going to try to catch them. And we're going to go dig up the mango tree and the pear tree there. So all them trees I have to take up, and there's something there that looks like a soursop tree. So we're loving it. It says Jamaica good life. It's not a cub life, a push life, or a shove life. It's Jamaica what? Good life. No, big up to everybody that do the good work. Big up to everybody out there. We still love in the country. So now, I dry some mats, I wash the mat then. Remember gas? Gas in the yard. Coconut the palm tree. So this is what Jamaica looks like. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna get up there, pick the pepper. We'll pick the pepper them. We're gonna pick the pepper them. Yeah. I know say a sardine love now, bulgur. So we steer from the cow and we choose the what? Pop chow. So we're gonna plant the coconut tree for one of my friend Julie bless. Julie said, Randy, plant a coconut tree for me, so plant a coconut tree for her. Big up to everybody. You know me, I say, this is Randy, your father, not your daddy. Hey! Me say this is Randy, your father, not your daddy. Big up to everybody, especially my girl Sandy. Alright, so now for deal with this thing now, we just need the pickaxe really. We don't need too much things, so the pickaxe alone, we can do this for now. And then we'll transfer more trees. So it's looking good. I'll keep working on it. Enough work for do, some clean up. The grass, I like when the bees can come through. So people, everything is everything. Take care of yourself. Don't commit the sin. You must always win. Bless up yourself, kings and queens. JamaicaHealthBox.com. Check it out. Okay, people. So now we'll plant some pear seed. That's so. Hopefully them will grow. First time I plant pear seed, so and plant a coconut tree, so. I'm going to plant another coconut tree, a big one, yeah, so. Right, plant the orchid tree over there, so with some cane. So we'll plant some things in the backyard and some cane there, so cane there, so pear there, so I'll keep planting up more orchid tree and get some pumpkin. They say this is just a stretch, make the light come through. I'll plant some pumpkin and pumpkin go crazy. Not the woodland. Sorry, not the woodland. Later. Trying to pick some pepper now. You see? I know, I'll make some little pickle pepper, you know. That's the beautiful thing about retiring in Jamaica. Retirement at age 50, eh? You know, so the rat race real, you know. So you don't have to do work together as family. You don't have ups and downs, you know. You know, we always have ups and downs with people. But we don't hold the faith and work hard. And one day, we two will pick on the pepper. We kind of retire now from doing charity and enough video. Focus on my health now. At 20 years, I do the thing for Jamaica. You see me? So, we go forward. We come relax and big up to everybody. I work hard for one to have. My phone on one. Big up to Janet X, Miss Elliot, Patricia Hippolyte, and Maria Day, and all the people. We build a foundation where everything grow out of. You and me. We are a part of this new Jamaica. So when I reach the level when you can pick on a pepper, and don't be afraid. because one of my sisters said, boy, Andy, I'm afraid of Jamaican because when I know watch Pepper Tree Garden, when I watch who I did, I remember saying enough people in Ecuador, Mexico. You see? So the bird pepper, I want to see if I can catch him and grow some more out of the front. I'll transfer the mango tree, you know, people. You see, them things that me think about, I stay focused on every news we are going, you have to focus on yourself. You know, them keenness, you know, if you plant some more cane, you know. But I go transfer the mango tree, and I go transfer the pear tree up so too. And I go plant some more cane. I've got to tie up, plant some more cane. So I'll go plant them here tomorrow. And I think this is a soursop tree. No, under this grass I'm going to catch grass. This is my catch grass. When we weed up grass, sometimes I make the thing them grow tall. So I can just weed the grass and leave it on the land. We don't dash the grass. You see? And some more cane over there stuff to plant. So what if I go do the cane side of the wall? The wall going there, so. You see what I'm going there, so? Enough things are going on, but you see, either ackee seed or whatever. But you see the catch grass, you know, normal, you know, you see how if you move this, you catch grass. Now, see that? This guy right there, so he's probably one of them fruit that we don't know. But, all in all, Jamaica, we say, we're building the nation. Alright, see the tuna there, I have to go firm up the two more and put some more dirt in that tomorrow. So now guava, you see? I have no guava. Put some guava. You know, pick the guava then. You not eat them. Yeah man, eat them. Alright, see the people, that's how we live in the backyard. See the Jamaica good life. We don't wash guava, you know. How we do that? You write guava upon pants. You know some man a big red hands. You write guava upon pants. Yeah, after working for Jamaica for 30 something years with the mango tree there. Some tuna get chopped down, so I have to go take some of them and transplant them. So now to the mango tree here. Sometimes you have to make them get like a shade because the sun gets hot. See a coconut tree there on the plants. So what more I have to do is, you know the pumpkin are running now. I'm going about the business pumpkin up here. So what more I have to do now, I'm break the concrete here. You know, I'm really want to. Boy. Boy. Wow. When I break the concrete, what more I have to do is plant my pear tree after. Mango tree over there, so. Everybody. But you know, so the local Jamaican them don't really plant much now anymore, you know. They're reapers, they're not planters. Wow. I'm not sure. We go forward. I don't know the things yet. And we know so there's good and bad everywhere. So I like say we give thanks for both countries. So when you get old, you can sit down and open your pear tree. Is a pimento tree. Look. Pimento tree me want. I want some soursop. But I'm proud of the little lime tree where they might come up. I keep protecting them. It's a struggle. You have to pack bush on them and stone so that the little dirty snail them it's not hard to get to them. And caterpillar them. So you have to block the energy. One tree. I'm not really gonna stick the yam. I'm make him run and enjoy himself. I'm not gonna really dig it. Just enjoy yourself, yeah. So it's that's where I go, man. Let's look for a course I do, man. So, actually done. Good job. See if we can transplant him. The last one never catch, you know. Might try plant and seed them directly. Until next time. No vex time. This is Jamaica. Good night. Take care of yourself. Backyard pickings. Here where a lot of people don't know. When you pick a pepper, you must pick some of the leaf with it too. And season it with the meat. Status. And I must know that put the pepper leaf in the seed, in the soup too. Always and keep the warm tone. Status, country people. Love or no. Wait, oh yes. Jamaica good like status. Status, people. Yeah, man, I like to use the coconut gravy after I steam parrot fish. And I like to take the burger and I just like to put it right there so in the gravy. You see? The burger. No more rice and peas. Burger and peas, people. Burger good food now. Good for the pre-diabetes too. You see, people are eating Jamaica good life. Status! What the pepper there? No, so the pepper there. Yes, people. Give thanks for life. Yes, people. Boy. Mr. Pepper on the burger and the parrot steam fish. I'm glad, sir. I'm glad I never watch everybody talk about Jamaica, the worst place. You see a fish that comes straight from the sea. Why? 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 I say why? People, let me tell you something. Alright, here I say two now. 3 of them big fish here. About 4,800 Jamaica. Seaside, fresh. Just ask for shorty or bigs. Tell them run this in you. A coconut. coconut milk that mixed with some all-purpose seasoning and some. May I put some good jerk seasoning in it too. Shake it up in the pan. Little salt, enough pepper, garlic, and onion. I never have no scallion, you know. But me fi tell you. You see, I make cook this out I road for people. Bus crash and truck run off a hill. Why?